everyone. Now today we are here to do an experiment from the class 10th chemistry. Aim of this experiment is to perform and observe the action of heat on the ferrous sulfate crystal and also identify the type of the reaction involved in it. It is a decomposition reaction. Now let's discuss some theory related to this topic. In this activity, we will heat the ferrous sulfate crystal that have the green color. When we will heat it, it will be decomposed into the three components, that is the ferric oxide, which have the brownish black color, sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide gases. These two are the colorless gases. Now let's prove it with the help of the activity. Material required to do this activity are test tube stand, ferrous sulfate crystals, stirrer, candle, you can use the burner also, spatula, matchstick, test tube holder. Now what I will do, I will take some amount of the ferrous sulfate crystal in the test tube. Observe the color of the ferrous sulfate crystal. It has the light greenish color. Now we will heat it with the help of the candle. Now I will burn a candle. We will burn a candle. Now we will heat this ferrous sulfate crystal. You have to take one precaution in this experiment, that you will not smell the gas which is coming out from the test tube, because that is a sulfur dye and sulfur trioxide gas. We have to heat this mixture until the gas will stop coming out from the test tube, and then after we will observe the color of the substance that will left in the test tube. Observe that a colorless gas is coming from the test tube. When this gas stop coming out from the test tube, then we will stop the burning and notice the color of the remains that left in the test tube. Now I have stopped the heating and I have cleaned the base of the test tube with the help of the piece of cloth, so that the color of the crystal is easily visible to you. Now see, the ferrous sulfate has changed its color into the brown, and this brown crystals represents the ferric oxide. So the conclusion of this activity is that it is a decomposition reaction, because in it the reactant is only one, that is a ferrous sulfate crystal, and it is decomposed into the three components, that is the ferric oxide, sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. I hope this activity is clear to you. Thank you so much.